very nice and cute little etude. I think just a pleasure to play. Makes me feel young again when I'm playing this. Remember to kind of keep the bow moving in a similar kind of fashion. Whether you're playing quarter note with the eighth note slurred or dotted eighth note with 3 16th notes, the rhythm changes, but the bowing doesn't change. It stays basically the same. So your goal is to kind of keep things in motion and moving and connecting as much as you can. It's a really interesting experience as you go through this. Try not to slow down very much and carry through the text as much as you can. It's a lovely, lovely little etude. I think I'm going to play it again after recording this video. But before I do, I want to take a moment and say thank you to all my YouTube members and all my Patreon members for their support. Thank you very much for making this possible. I truly appreciate your support.